What's going on, everybody? I'm on my way to my boy's house to grill Pollo a la Brasa, aka Peruvian chicken, aka chicken tastes so good makes you want to slap your mama. Please don't do that to your mama, because she might slap you back. What's up, y'all? Today we making Peruvian style chicken, and this right here is authentic Peruvian. It's my boy Raul, and it's also called what?
Pollo a la brasa.
There you go, Pollo a la Brasa. And we're gonna make it two different ways. So we're gonna make it baked for the people who don't have a grill, and we're gonna also make it grill. So follow along, and this is a very easy recipe. Fits most diets like keto, paleo, and whole 30. What's going on, y'all? You might not recognize some of those spices on the left. That's jucate paste on the left and ají amarillo on the right. Jucate paste is a black mint paste, as Peruvians use that in a Peruvian cooking, and ají amarillo is a yellow. It's like a yellow pepper, but that's spicy. Right now, I'm just adding some salt, some cumin, some garlic. I will have the recipes in the description, the full detailed recipe. Add some paprika, 2 different kinds, regular paprika, smoked paprika, and a little bit of black pepper. And please make sure to add some oregano. And there's the ají amarillo paste. Now if you don't have this, you can always add a habanero. If one habanero is too spicy, just add a serrano or jalapeños. There goes the jucate paste. If you can't find it, add some mint. And add some lemon and lime juice and vinegar. I put it in while I was not filming, so I had to put that in the recipe. Add some vinegar and oil. So if you're on paleo or whole 30, and if you're like oil specific, you can add grapeseed oil or olive oil to this, and just make sure you blend it. And right here, now you want to make some room between the skin and the meat, so the marinade goes in deeply inside. And this one right here is basically the chicken that's gonna go in the oven. So I basically made sure I quartered it nice inside the cavity, inside the skin. So make sure that marinade goes all over that chicken, and you want to kind of let the chicken sit for like a couple hours before you put it in the oven. And put the oven to 375 degrees, and once it's ready, pop the chicken in. But mind you, the chicken is sitting for a couple of hours on that the rub that you just marinated. So you want to bake that chicken skin side up for 30 minutes, and then flip it and skin side down for another 30 minutes, so the chicken's breast doesn't get dried up. Right here, I'm basically trying to spatchcock this chicken. Don't throw away that mid bone. I basically marinated with some spices, with ají amarillo and jucate paste and some salt, and I threw that in the grill because I used it later on. See right there, I used that later on for my stock to make the rice. I did make some regular rice for my boy Raul, but even though I'm eating cauliflower rice nowadays to keep the weight down, you just want to get your grill nice and hot, and you want to cook that chicken on indirect heat. And this right here is basically the marinade. I added some butter and bring it to a boil, and basically let all the marinade that came from the chicken's pan kind of reduce it down. So cook this down to 5 or 10 minutes, till the butter melts and gets all nice and bubbly. You can also throw in some whiskey, a little bit of whiskey if you want, for extra flavor, because you're going to be basting the chicken, the baked chicken and the grilled chicken with this marinade that's been reduced down. So basically, make sure it's seasoned up properly and everything, so it's good to go. As you can see, it's coming nice and bubbly, and it's almost ready. And at this point, I added some lime juice for some extra flavor, and it was almost done. And that right there is basically what he wanted. So you want it cooked down all the way down like that, so you can baste the chicken. And right here, my chicken fell apart a little bit. it was still juicy also. You know, I was basically just basting it. I did the same thing, the chicken in the oven. I flipped the chicken and I was just basting that chicken as well. And you guys can use this technique for any type of chicken marinade that you guys do. It'll be delicious. So just keep basting that chicken, man. You want to be nice and juicy. Basically a chicken bone. Raul's been picking at it. How is it?
Good, amazing.
Alright. We're gonna make that chicken stock. I think Raul was hungry at this point. Basically just throw those ingredients in there and make a little chicken stock. And this right here, I was making the green sauce. I put some cilantro, basically a whole stock of cilantro, some lime juice or lemon juice, and that's the chicken stock that I made, that I just boiled up. But if you guys don't want to do that, you can just add regular chicken stock. Throw in some jalapeños or serranos, whatever you like. Throw in some sour cream or creme fraiche. If y'all want to be even healthier, you can add some Greek yogurt. It's kind of unconventional. It's not the authentic Peruvian recipe, but you know, it works. I added some ají amarillo. Now if y'all don't have this at this point, you don't need to add this. Jucate paste, same thing. If y'all don't have this, you don't need to add this. And add some salt and basically blended it. Now you guys don't want to over blend this because it can become like butter. So you know, make sure you blend it to a nice consistency like that.
It's a little bit way better.
So at this point, my grilled version of the chicken was cooked. Basically took that out, and my baked version was also done. So there it is, guys, the Peruvian style chicken, grilled and baked. So we invited Raul's cousin Joe to come over so we can have two Peruvians trying this recipe, and we weren't sure he was gonna come over, but he actually did. So I got two of them trying my recipe right now. So here we got the Peruvian chicken with some rice. My boy Raul's gonna taste it. Let me know the verdict. So one is a grilled version.
It's amazing. Dude, what'd you give him?
Some whiskey. It's Joe right here, man.
What's up, guys?
I got two Peruvians, not just one, two.
I gotta make sure this is good.
Yeah, he's gonna tell me the truth.
Okay. Cooking like me now. Cooking like me.
Alright.
It's good, I love it. Let me try it.
Try it with that sauce, man. Authentic?
Like if I'm in Peru right now.
That's what's up.
Buenísimo.
If y'all like that video, smash the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll be making more videos for y'all in the future. Until then, don't forget to feast with Pete.